Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have the Goldrush Burger. Alright, first we gotta make the sauce. Into a pot that is over a medium-low heat, you want to add 3/4 of a cup of yellow mustard, 1/2 cup of honey. And then we want to have 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, a 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. And then you want to have a teaspoon of garlic powder, then just a little bit of a pinch of cayenne pepper, and salt and pepper to taste. Then you just want to grab a whisk and mix everything together. And then you want to lightly simmer for about 10 minutes. And then turn off the heat and let it cool. The sauce can be made a day in advance, hell, a week in advance. So you can get the sauce done at pretty much any time. And pretty much with the fixings on the burger that I'm going to use, all that stuff can be done ahead of time. And now we have 6 1/4-pound patties on our grill. And seasoning for them is just salt, pepper, and over a high heat. Take about 3-4 minutes aside to cook. All right. See you at the next step. All right, through the magic of cooking show editing, the burgers are done. And time to just add some cheese. This is a Colby Jack cheese. And then just give the burgers about another 30 seconds to a minute for the cheese to melt. And then we'll be ready to bring them in the house and assemble the burgers. Okay, so to start the assembly, we have the bottom bun of the burger. And I've added some mayonnaise to that. Followed by some chopped up iceberg lettuce, a patty. Now, I'm going to do a double. You could certainly do a single if you wish. Some of our Goldrush sauce. Followed by some bacon strips. Again, this is another great way to get rid of leftover bacon. The second patty. More of our Goldrush sauce. Followed by, of course, more bacon. Hey, everything's better with bacon. Followed by a couple of slices of tomato. Followed by some pickles, because pickles are delicious. Then we're going to add just a little bit of white onion here. And finally, we put the top bun on. And that is the Goldrush Burger. Done.